Thank you very much. I now give the floor to Gender and Development for Cambodia, and Eng Shandi will take the floor for 3 minutes. You have the floor.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Gender responsive budgeting is the single most important topic affecting Cambodian women today. Currently, each ministry claims to have a gender mainstreaming program, but they are not funded. Moreover, there is no overall plan or oversight to ensure that gender is taken into consideration in budget, requests or allocations at either the national or subnational level. The understanding of what a gender-sensitive budget is and how it can be implemented is limited among government institutions. So we recommend 1. Gender responsiveness must be mainstreamed into all budget decisions at the national and subnational levels. As part of this, annual expenses dedicated to gender equality should amount to at least 5% of the total national budget. There should be dedicated budget lines for each ministry for such expenses. This could go towards women's health services, measures to improve women's access to education and justice, and gender-sensitive training for government workers. 2. The development process for the national budget has to be gender inclusive, with meaningful participation by all relevant stakeholders. 3. Cambodia should develop a national action plan for financing and ensuring the means for women to fully access sexual and reproductive health rights, including allocation from the national budget to implement the plan. The issue of accountability. Accountability of government is lacking in many areas, such as advancement of women in leadership, access to justice, education, health, labor rights, and employment, and addressing comprehensive sexual and gender-based violence services. Our particular concern in the complete lack of transparency. Laws are not presented to the public ahead of passage unless funded by the development partner who insists upon consultation. The government has very little gender disaggregated data for all sectors. The public is not entitled to access what government data exists. Officials are not observed or evaluated to ensure that they are doing their job effectively. So we recommend 1. The government needs to conduct comprehensive nationwide to effectively capacity building and awareness raising to shift cultural mindsets. 2. Enact effective grievance mechanism at the local and national levels so that women can complain and get remedies when their rights to government services are denied. 3. The government needs to track all official actions and expenses at all levels concerning criminal investigation, health, education, and gender-based violence. This data must be systematically collected, disaggregated by gender, publicly shared, and used to hold officials personally accountable. Thank you.